Hey everyone, today I'm excited to introduce the LMETJMA Adjustable Mandoline Slicer, a game-changing tool that promises to make slicing fruits and vegetables quicker, easier, and more precise. This slicer is made with high-quality stainless steel blades and a PP body, making it durable and easy to handle. It's designed to slice everything from potatoes to tomatoes with perfect uniformity. One of the standout features is the adjustable slicing thickness. Whether you're making thin tomato slices or thicker potato wedges, you can easily customize the thickness to suit your recipe. Check this out. I'm slicing a potato and look how consistent the slices are, perfect for fries or chips. The slicer is super easy to operate and gives you perfect results every time. It's also really safe to use. The hand guard keeps your fingers protected, so you don't have to worry about cuts while slicing. Whether you're prepping for a salad, making fries, or slicing onions, this slicer makes it quick and easy. And with no more uneven slices, your meals will look professional every time. Plus, the best part, this slicer is factory direct, meaning it's high quality and they always have stock. They ship within 12 hours, and you get a tracking number in 24 hours, so if you need a reliable kitchen tool that saves you time and hassle, this adjustable Mandoline slicer is definitely worth considering. Ready to level up your kitchen? Grab yours today.